All right, in part 2 of LeChateliers Lab, what I have here is distilled water in which I added bromthiamyl blue, which is an acid-base indicator. It turns color as you change the pH of a solution. Currently, you can see the color of the solution right here. It's kind of got a greenish, maybe aqua color to it. I am now going to, in part 1, I'm going to stress this system by adding hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to go ahead and add 5 drops of hydrochloric acid to it. And I'm going to stir it to evenly mix it. And there you can see there is a pronounced color change, and that's what you want to put down in your data table as to what happens when you add the 5 drops of HCl. Okay? That's stress 1. So now put the observation down in the data table and fill in with the additional information. Now I'm going to come back and stress 2 of the system. There's 2 parts to this problem. Now I'm going to add sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base. We just got done adding an acid, so now we're going to add a base. I'm going to add 5 drops. And you can see where it contacts the liquid immediately, it causes a color change because the sodium hydroxide up towards the top, it's more basic, and as it starts to go down, it's starting to mix. So I'm going to speed up that process by plunging it. And you can now see the color change that has occurred now. Now it's very blue. Now I added equal drops of each. Theoretically, if my drop volumes were exactly the same and the substance was the same concentration, the big key here is the size of the droplets. If the droplets were the same, it should have gone back to that original kind of greenish aqua color, because then we have equal amounts of both the yellow acidic ions and the blue basic ions. But here, because it is blue, you can see that it is now gone past neutral pH, which is 7, into now a basic realm, which is over 7. And when I added the HCl the first time, it was yellow when it was in the acidic realm. Okay, that is part 2 of LeChatelier's principle. Fill in the information and then read the explanation PDF that I've given you as a way to explain why the color changes have occurred.